My name is Catherine Emile.
My name is Jarad Williams.
I'm from New York City. I grew up there and lived there, and I decided it was kind of time to make a change. I decided to come to the Vermont Woodworking School.
I'm from Texas. I'm from the San Antonio area. I enjoyed the community aspect of the Vermont Woodworking School, and I decided to come to Vermont.
When I was a kid, I always wanted to be a furniture maker.
My grandfather did a lot of woodworking, got to hang out in his shop a lot.
Our company is called Towards Nightfall. Originally, when I came here, I imagined that I would move back into New York.
I was 100% planning on going back to Texas.
Once we finished this program, I realized that it made so much more sense to stay here. The school provides this amazing incubator space.
It's kind of like a lily pad for us to kind of jump off into our own business.
Our aesthetic is pretty modern and contemporary.
We use joinery in all of our furniture. We don't use bolts or screws or nuts in any of that. So our goal is to continue doing the traditional style of woodworking with a modern look.
The experience of working on a project has like the full range of emotions because we get the project, kind of the excitement, and there's a lot of energy in the design phase.
Precision really comes down to the design.
There's this excitement that builds as the piece actually comes together, the joinery comes together, the finish goes on, and it becomes this magical piece that we've created from start to finish, and it's kind of seeing a dream turn into reality.
It's a trade in the aspect that it provides jobs for people. It's art because they're things that we get to touch and live with and enjoy and respect. It's craft because it takes time to design that.
I would like to think that our work is a reflection of who we are.
Furniture is just amazing in that aspect that you can take a rough tree and turn it into an object that people get to enjoy every day.
I hope that someone who sits at one of our tables or on one of our chairs really sees that it was built with love and attention to detail and care, and it becomes a special part of their lives.